Hey everybody, this is Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and I am putting together this ancient evergleam Christmas tree. This is the tinsel trees that that used to be very popular in the 40s and 50s. So, and the branches come in little sleeves, little wax paper sleeves like this. And that's what the tree looks like. This tree is, so I lost the base, so I actually glued it to an old wooden bowl, which works well. And you slide the second hole. This is a 4-foot tree. And you just start sliding these in. Now, I have a very big tree. It's very tall but thin. And I decided not to use that this year because this is Tier's first Christmas. And I have absolutely no idea how he's going to handle the tree. And so instead of me risking all of my good ornaments, I decided this would be the way to go. Because if he attacks it, fine. It's not going to break anything. And I got this tree in college, and I got it at a garage sale for $1. And I wanted one since when we were little kids, we each had our own tree, and it was a 1-foot tree. I mean, it was about the length of this. And it had little tiny branches, and so we each had our own tree in our rooms that we got to make, paper ornaments and stuff for. So I've always loved tinsel trees, and when I found this one and it was vintage, it was like, oh, well, I guess back then it really wasn't, you really didn't consider it vintage. And people were like, oh my God, it's the ugliest thing on the planet. And I'm like, I love it. So I alternate usually. And last year we did have the big green tree up. But, and I collect ornaments. I get an ornament every year, or at least one. Sometimes 3 or 4. Depends on if we've traveled or whatnot. And so yeah, I wanted to just do this one up, and hopefully Tier does not destroy it. I know Heimdall has done okay with these kind of trees, so, and this is where the tree will live. So my older brother just called me today and said, hey, can we do Christmas at your house? And I'm like, okay, fine, we can do that. So we'll be cooking Christmas dinner here. And thankfully Greg doesn't have to work on Christmas Day, but he does have to work New Year's Day, but that's all right. All right, so I am now just going to go ahead and get this done. This is the point where I will probably speed it up. Ta-da! All done. I have 2 left. I'm going to put these back in. You literally just put them back in like that. And when we move overseas, this is probably the tree that I will take with us, because I'm not ever getting rid of this tree. Unless, of course, somebody wanted to give me like $1 million for it. Maybe then. That is highly doubtful, because you can still find them. Every year, I lose a couple of little tinsels. That's okay. Just kind of put them back in there. Then the tree skirt, our stockings, and this goes in our front door. I got these cute little ornaments. These will be the only glass ornaments that I put on the tree, I think. I got these at a conference. And a penguin. Penguin. It's a penguin. For those of you who have not seen Benedict Cumberbatch's thing about penguins, oh my gosh, it is the most hilarious thing on the planet. Because he can evidently not say penguins. He calls them penguins. So, I mean, he can say penguins, but when he does a documentary, it comes out penguins. So, build a snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? So, all right, this is 15 minutes in. I'm going to decorate this and then I'll come back. Ta-da! And the cats have knocked it almost down twice now. So we're just going to leave it like that. I decided not to put on lights, and because it would just make it that much harder. So there you go. The Graham household tree for 2018. Ta-da! Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and today I have a shipment from Baron Fig. This is my, it's a Field Nuts pen. It's one of their Squire pens that was done specifically for one of the Facebook groups that I'm in. And it was a collaboration between the two. And it's one of their pens. And it's their Squire Rollerball. And I've been wanting to try this. And I am sad that I missed out on the Mysterium, which was the orange one, but, you know, that's okay. I can hopefully find one. But I got this, and I'm going to need this, early November, and then they told us that some of us didn't make the cutoff, and so they were going to have to reorder. So I just got it today. And I was holding off ordering the Mysterium one because I wasn't sure if I actually liked it or not. Because I've never used one of these before. But, oh, that is so cool. I love the color. Oh. So, all right. I need, I will use the back of this MD notebook and use this as a, ooh, okay, that writes awesomely, holy cow, and it dries fairly well. So this is the Baron Fig Squire Field Nuts. Pen. So let's see how. Yep, just a little bit of shadowing, not much at all. No braille-ness at the end. So, oh, yay! I am loving that pen. It's smaller than I thought, but I do like it. So, yeah, awesome. So this is going to go into, hello, Tier. Hello, buddy. What you doing? He's coming to say hello. So anyway, dude, you and your tail. So that is the Field Nuts collaboration with Baron Fig for the Squire Pen. And their Squire Pen was listed to be one of the best pens out on the market right now. So I am a fan. So we'll see how it writes in my Hobonichi, but I kind of wanted to get this to use in my field notes, so we will try that. And that's how they come. Tier, dude, you're in my light, Mr. Man. So there you have it. My field notes unboxing. Yay, my first Squire pen. And it writes fantastically for a rollerball. So there you have it. All right, guys, I will see you in the next Vlogmas. Bye. Bye, Tier. Say goodbye. You gonna say anything? Nope, guess not. All right, bye, guys.